Hey there, rug lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of rug cleaning and uncovering easy steps to keep your shaggy rugs in tip-top shape. From regular maintenance to deep cleaning, we'll cover everything you need to know to maintain the beauty and softness of your favorite rugs. Let's get started. Step 1. Regular vacuuming. Use a vacuum cleaner with a rotating brush or beater bar to effectively remove dirt, dust, and debris trapped in the fibers. Start by vacuuming the rug in the direction of the pile, then repeat the process in the opposite direction to ensure thorough cleaning. Aim to vacuum your shaggy rug at least once a week to prevent dirt buildup and maintain its softness. Step 2. Spot cleaning. Blot the affected area with a clean, white cloth or paper towel to absorb excess liquid. Then, dilute a small amount of mild detergent or carpet cleaner in water and gently blot the stain, working from the outside in to prevent spreading. Rinse the area with clean water and blot dry with a towel. Avoid rubbing or scrubbing, as this can damage the rug fibers. Step 3. Deep cleaning. For deeper cleaning, you can give your shaggy rug a thorough wash. Depending on the size of the rug, you can either hand wash it or use a carpet cleaner. If hand washing, fill a large tub or bathtub with cold water and a small amount of mild detergent. Submerge the rug in the water and gently agitate it with your hands. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and squeeze out excess water. Hang the rug to dry outdoors or lay it flat on a clean surface indoors. Step 4. Professional cleaning. If your shaggy rug is heavily soiled or stained, or if you prefer to leave the cleaning to the experts, you can also opt for professional cleaning services. Professional rug cleaners have the tools and expertise to deep clean your rug safely and effectively, leaving it looking fresh and rejuvenated. And there you have it, easy steps to clean your shaggy rugs and keep them looking plush and beautiful for years to come. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more home cleaning tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy rug cleaning.